Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make my favorite dish, pasta in white sauce. Without any delay, let's get started. To get started, I have taken boiled water over here and I'm going to add, this is like 8 to 10 cups of water, and I'm going to add about 2 cups of macaroni pasta. You can use any pasta you want. You can use penne pasta. You have to go according to the instructions given on the packet, but macaroni gets cooked very fast. So I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to add little salt, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil to it. After it starts boiling, I'm going to lower the flame. After 5 minutes, pasta is this much cooked. So it will take about 2 minutes more, and we have to ensure that we have to keep it little undercooked. So we have to be very careful after 5 minutes. And we have to keep stirring it in between because we don't want our pasta to stick to the bottom. Now after 2 minutes, the pasta is done. So it is al dente. Al dente is when you get a bite, like there is a slight bite to the pasta. So it is at that stage, and I'm going to drain the water out. Now we will run it under cold water. So that the cooking gets stopped, and add a teaspoon of oil to it. Give it a mix. And keep it aside. Now we are going to make white sauce. For making white sauce, I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of butter, and little bit of oil to it, and 4 tablespoons of maida. The quantity of maida and butter or oil is exactly the same. Now we are going to cook it on low flame till it becomes aromatic. This process will take little time, but it's going to be worth it. Now I'll add a teaspoon of garlic, and saute it. Now after 7 minutes, my maida is at the position when I'm going to add milk to it. So we don't want the color to change. I'm adding 800 ml milk to it, and we have to keep whisking. Now this is lukewarm milk. Now the flame is high. We'll keep mixing it because we don't want the lumps to form. Slowly the sauce is going to get thick also. Now it has become thick also, and it started boiling. Now at this point of time, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cheese. I'm using pizza processed cheese here. You can use any mozzarella or whatever you feel like. And then mix it. Now the sauce is done. I've switched off the flame, and now I will add white pepper. I'm putting 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pizza seasoning. You can use any mixed herbs if you want. If you have oregano, you can go in for oregano or basil or parsley, whatever you have, you can put that. But then pizza seasoning does enhance the taste of the sauce. Now I'm going to saute the vegetables. Basically, we are not going to cook the vegetables. We are only going to season the vegetables. And this is the time when you have to preheat your oven. I have just switched it on, and you have to preheat it on 200 degrees. I'll put in 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in the bell peppers. I've taken yellow, red and green, half each. And just quickly saute it. Add little white pepper and very little salt. We have to be careful because there is salt in our sauce as well. Give it a quick mix. And really take it out. Now again add in half a teaspoon of butter, a teaspoon of garlic, and a cup of mushrooms. I've taken boiled mushrooms over here. A spoonful of green chilies. Now it's nicely done. We've got those brown marks on the mushrooms, and this is the time when I'm going to add my carrots. They are not boiled, but they are finely chopped. Now I'll add a little bit of salt and white pepper. Give it a mix. Now it's done, and we will take it out in a bowl. Now into the sauce I'm going to add all my vegetables. Pasta. Mix it well. And if at this point you feel that your sauce is too thick, you can add a little bit of milk to it. I've added about 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'll let it cook for 1 minute. Now it's mixed well, and I'm going to check the seasoning. At this point we can adjust the seasoning. I'm going to add little salt to it. Give it a mix, and I'll dish it out. cheese to it. We can be liberal with the cheese. Sprinkle some pizza seasoning. And bake it in the oven. Now we will bake it in the preheated oven on 200 degrees for 15 minutes or till the cheese melts or we get few brown marks. Let's try out the pasta. With garlic bread. First bite of this yummy pasta for you guys.
If you like my recipe, do try it out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and God bless.